I would hope that they overestimate. Yeah, just gonna look at. It's really cool. You can see a whole bunch of things. It's like
Go ahead, next party, wait right there for you coming.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be here. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on items, safety restraint, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Have a nice flight.
Alright guys, I'm going to start with my row 3 and 2 and 1 will follow behind. Come on in.
So we're into tower. We are ready for takeoff.
fasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under seat compartment and exit your way.
Services.